Today we're diving into the world of lighting solutions, focusing on vapor-proof and non-corrosive light fittings. These lights resist moisture, dust and vapours, ensuring durability wherever they're installed. Key features: withstands tough conditions without sacrificing performance. Perfect for outdoor sheds. LED technology ensures significant energy savings for your home. Versatility, suitable for various applications from industrial buildings to home garages. Vapor-proof lights provide exceptional brightness and longevity, making them a great option not just for large commercial spaces, but also for home use where bright, consistent lighting is needed. Fewer replacements needed, saving you time and money in the long run. Reliability, consistent performance in both commercial and domestic settings. When choosing light fittings such as these, you need to understand terms like damp or wet, which is crucial. Damp rated, ideal for areas like covered patios or sheds where moisture is present. Wet rated, suitable for exposed outdoor settings, including uncovered garages or sheds. If you're unsure, consulting with a professional electrician can help you make the right choice. The IP65 rating is common for vapor-proof lights, ensuring protection against dust and water, making it perfect for outdoor home applications. What are non-corrosive light fittings? These fittings resist moisture, dust and chemical exposure, making them ideal for both industrial use and home settings like garages that may be exposed to various chemicals and dusty environments. Long-lasting performance ensures fewer replacements, ideal for home maintenance. Actionable steps: assess your environment. Consider conditions like humidity and chemical exposure in your spaces. Opt for LED fittings, energy efficient and long lasting for both home and commercial use. Ensure compliance. Even at home, safety standards and regulations matter. Plan for maintenance. Regular cleaning and inspections are crucial for longevity. By taking a holistic approach, you can ensure your spaces from industrial sites to home garages and sheds are well lit, safe, efficient and visually appealing. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.